Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this fun bright lip sort of makeup, smoky eye, just something I've been going for recently. Maybe the fall has something to do with it. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with this Merit primer. This is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. This is so nice when I'm not using the Glossier primer, which I'm almost out of. I am using this one, and this was already my backup one. And this serum actually pairs really well with the Rose Inc Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum, so I'm going to use this today. I'm definitely finding like the more I get to test some things out, then the more you realize what you'd prefer on the daily, which if you're someone who wears makeup a lot like I do, you want things to sit pretty undetectable on the skin and lightweight, and depending on like what your skin needs are, I suppose. Like if you have dry skin, you know, have something a little more hydrating. If you have a little bit more acne, then a bit more coverage, but it doesn't mean that you still can't have like a lighter weight product for fuller coverage. So that's where the Haus Labs Foundation, I absolutely love that one for my fuller coverage foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use this Hourglass, the color Creme. And I'm just gonna put a little bit because it's really like full coverage, but it has such a silky feel to it. Like all their products, they feel really nice. And if you use just a little bit, then it's not as full coverage, where it just doesn't go with a light coverage base product. Like I just use that skin tint. So you just kind of dab it out, and then it looks a lot more natural, but it'll last all day. For my powder, I'm going to use this Kosas Cloud Set powder in the color Airy. So can you see how it kind of, as it sets, it does deepen in color just a bit. Enough where it makes like, there's a color difference to me. Some people, you know, maybe it doesn't matter, but I don't like when it changes too much. So the first one that I actually went through was the color Breezy, and it just changed colors too much for me to repurchase that color. So Airy is really good if you have fair skin and you don't want it to look noticeable when it's like changing colors. For my brows, I'll do my brows really quick. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist in the color Dark Brunette. For bronzer, I am going to use this Nars Laguna in 01. It's their lightest shade. This one's nice because it has a bit of that like olive undertone. So I like to use this kind of a fluffier brush because it's pretty pigmented and I don't want it to pack a punch. I want it to look pretty natural. And I don't know if like everyone knows, but this definitely has a scent. It almost, there's something nostalgic about that scent. Something in elementary school, something that smells like that Play-Doh. I don't know what it is, but it's just so funny. It smells good. For blush, I'm using this Makeup by Mario Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil in the color Rose Crush. I'm just gonna use the same brush, but the other side. And pop it on the cheek, but not like too far up. And then just kind of use the other side to blend it out. It's really pretty. His colors in the soft pop plumping blush veils, they're really pretty. All right, we'll leave that there. I'll do my lips next. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Love Trap for the liner. This is a good contour shade for sure, as like a mauve contour. And then the lipstick I'm using is by Ravie Beauty. It's the Effortless Lips in the color Rose. That is just such a beautiful plumping lipstick. I mean, just really, really pretty. And lastly, for the eyes, I'm using this Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Palette. And I'm going to go in with some of these darker shades today. I'll start with the top one there. I'll use the same color for under the eyes as well. And then on top of that, I'm going to use this middle one that has a bit of shimmer to it. And it definitely deepens the look, which is really pretty. And it's having quite a bit of fallout. I should have tapped it out right away. Yeah, there's definitely a lot that comes off onto the brush with that shimmery dark shade. Then I'll just use one of the lighter shimmery shades and just pop it into the corner there. I'm going to use a black liquid eyeliner. And to finish off the eyes, I'm using this Give Beauty mascara. Just to finish up, I'm going to use this Dalba face spray. And that concludes the makeup look. I'm going to fix my hair and I will be right back. All right, I'm back, and that concludes the makeup video for today. I think it turned out really nice. It's definitely, even fall and winter always calls for like a brighter red lipstick, and I love the Ravie Beauty lipsticks, and I love bright and colorful lips. So just for the hair, I had them in braids at night. Sometimes I like to do that. And then I just kind of touched it up with this Heritage Magic Spell Texturizing Spray. It's just from Walmart. I honestly don't really know how I feel about it. It was affordable. I'm just trying out different products until I find just the right ones, because I have hair on the finer and lighter weight side, so I don't want any products to weigh down the hair. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give my videos a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.